Current affairs of 30th June 2021. Question number 1. Which vaccine has effectively neutralizes both alpha and delta variant of COVID-19 as per US National Institute of Health? As you all know, there are more two variant of COVID-19, that is alpha variant, and delta variant. That is alpha variant and delta variant. So, which vaccine has effectively neutralizes both alpha and delta variant of COVID-19? That is, which vaccine it is Covaxin. This Covaxin is very effective to neutralize alpha and delta variant of COVID-19. So let us read this one. See, India's Covaxin effectively neutralizes both alpha and delta variants of coronavirus, said the US National Institute of Health. Who said? US National Institute of Health said that the Covaxin is very much effective to neutralize the alpha variant and delta variant. The vaccine generates antibodies that effectively neutralizes B.1.1.7 alpha and B.1.617 delta variants of SARS-CoV-2. So this is very important question. You should remember this. Which vaccine is it? It is Covaxin, which neutralizes both alpha and delta variant of COVID-19. So let me erase this. Then we will move to another question. Which nation is planning to suspend $325 million Covaxin deal with India? So the answer is Brazil. Brazil is planning to suspend the millions of Covaxin deal with India. Brazil is planning to suspend the Covaxin deal with India. Let us read this. The health minister of Brazil announced that the country will suspend a USD 24 million contract to buy 20 million doses of India's Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. So Brazil is planning to suspend the deal with India. Let us move to another question. Question number 3. NATO launched Black Sea drills on June 28th. It was recently. NATO has launched Black Sea drill with which nation despite protests from Russia? It is Ukraine. So this one is also quite important question. You should remember this one. Moving towards next question. Question number 4. Which nation's former president Jacob Zuma has been sentenced to 15 months in jail? The answer is South Africa. Let me use thinner one. The answer is South Africa. Now let us use thicker one. South Africa former president Jacob Zuma has been sentenced to 15 months in jail by the country highest court. So the Jacob Zuma was the former president of South Africa. He has sentenced to 15 months in jail by the country's highest court. And he has been given 5 days to hand himself over to the police. So this one is also important question. You should remember this one. Moving towards question number 5. It is, who among the following has been recommended by BCCI for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award 2021? The options are, let me use thinner one. And the option is Ravichandran Ashwin, KL Rahul, Jasprit Bumrah and Shikhar Dhawan. So the correct answer is Ravichandran Ashwin. Ravichandran Ashwin from men cricket and Mithali Raj from women cricket has nominated by BCCI, has nominated the name of Ravichandran Ashwin and Mithali Raj for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. Who has recommended? BCCI has recommended for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. To whom? Ravichandran Ashwin and Mithali Raj. There are two cricketers. One is Ravichandran Ashwin and Mithali Raj from women cricket, and for men cricket, Ravichandran Ashwin has nominated for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award. So this one is very very important question for 30th June. 30th June. Let me erase this. Let's move to another question. Question number 6. When is National Doctors Day observed? It is on 1st July. Today is 1st July. Those who are watching the video today, it's today 1st July. I suggest you to today, when whichever doctor you met, please wish him or her Doctor's Day. So it is very much good to see because they are fighting for India. So I suggest you to wish them Doctor's Day. So it is on 1st July. Today is National Doctors Day. Moving towards next question. Question number 7. When is the World Social Media Day observed? When is the World Social Media Day observed? It is on 30th June. 30th June. On 30th June, it was yesterday, right? Those who are watching video today, for those, the Social Media Day is on 30th June. So yesterday was Social Media Day. Let us read this one. World Social Media Day is observed every year on 30th June. Why? To show how it has become a key tool at connecting people from all corners of the world. Yes, of course, social media is very important tool nowadays because it connects people from all corners of the world, right? So it is very important tool nowadays, not on social media. So let us revise what we have do today. First, Covaxin. Covaxin is very effective to neutralize alpha variant and delta variant. And second, which nation suspend the deal with India? It is Brazil. NATO has launched Black Sea drills despite protests from Russia. It's Ukraine. Number 4, which nation's former president Jacob Zuma has been sentenced? It is South Africa. This is very much important question. I suggest you to remember this. Remember, this is very thicker one. Let me use thinner one. This is very important. I am marking star. This is important. Ravi. Then the answer is who BCCI has recommended. Who? Number 1 is Ravichandran Ashwin and number 2 is Mithali Raj from Indian women cricket team. So BCCI has recommended 2 for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award 2021. Moving to the next, National Doctors Day. I suggest you to please, I'm telling, please wish him or her happy Doctors Day, right? So it is on 1st July. Moving towards next, World Social Media Day. It's 30th June. It is on 30th June. Wait. It is on 30th June. There is one more question left. When is the International Asteroid Day observed? Asteroid Day. It is also on 30th June. It is also on 30th June. World Asteroid Day is also on 30th June. Let us read this one. The day is observed to promote awareness around asteroid and how we protect our planet from asteroid. So that's why International Asteroid Day is observed. So for today, this much only. Till then, keep watching. Never stop learning. Thank you. I'm using this first time and this pen. So thank you. We'll meet in next video. Till then, keep watching. Never stop learning. Thank you.